Many people, after the age of 60, begin to lose their ability to sleep deeply. They have tried sleeping pills, they have taken melatonin, they have turned to herbal teas, but their sleep is still short and restless. Each morning, they wake up feeling as if they never truly rested. What may surprise you is that a familiar ingredient in your kitchen ginger could be the key to completely changing the quality of your sleep. Ginger is not just a spice. For centuries, it has been used as a natural remedy to warm the body, relax the nerves, and improve blood circulation, all essential factors for helping you drift into a deep sleep without medication. Today, science also confirms that ginger contains compounds that can reduce inflammation, stabilize heart rate, and regulate nerve activity, naturally supporting your sleep. In this video, I will share with you 3 simple ways to use ginger at home to improve your sleep. All are easy to do, safe, and effective. In particular, the first method can bring noticeable changes in just a few days. If sleep is important to you, watch the entire video so you do not miss the most important part. If you are looking for a natural solution for better sleep, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell right now so that whenever I share a new method, you will be the first to know. Before we go into the 3 ways to use ginger for deeper sleep, let's pause for a moment to understand why such a small piece of ginger can help your body and mind relax and fall into a peaceful night's rest. In many Asian cultures, ginger is not only a spice that adds a warm, spicy flavor to meals. For hundreds of years, it has been considered a safe, natural medicine that warms the body, soothes the nerves, and brings the body back into balance, a state where sleep comes most naturally. In traditional medicine, ginger is described as having a spicy taste, a warm nature, and an affinity with the lung, spleen, and stomach meridians. This means ginger helps open up the flow of energy and blood, promotes circulation, supports digestion, warms the stomach, reduces bloating, and clears the airways. People in the past often used ginger to relieve colds, drive away chills, reduce coughs, and ease phlegm. When blood circulation improves and the nervous system relaxes, the body naturally enters a deep sleep. This is why in many herbal remedies, just adding a few slices of fresh ginger can help keep the body warm through the night, stabilize heart rate, and support sleep. Modern science has also confirmed these observations. Many studies show that ginger contains 2 main bioactive compounds, gingerol and shogal. Gingerol, especially 6-gingerol, has strong anti-inflammatory effects, helping reduce swelling and improve peripheral blood flow. Shogal, formed when ginger is dried or cooked, is notable for its antioxidant ability and its calming effect on the overactive central nervous system. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that gingerol and shogal may help regulate cortisol, the stress hormone, thereby supporting the body's shift into a restful state. In addition, ginger can stimulate the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in regulating the sleep and wake cycle. Some small clinical trials have also noted that when people drink warm ginger tea in the evening, they feel warmer. Their hands and feet are less cold, their heart rate slows, and they fall asleep more easily. These are very important physiological responses for those over 60 whose blood circulation and body temperature regulation are often weaker than in younger years. Of course, ginger's effects will vary from person to person. Some may notice a clear difference after just a few nights, while others may need to be consistent for 1 to 2 weeks before seeing results. The advantage of ginger is that it does not cause dependence memory fog or prolonged daytime drowsiness like some sleeping pills. It is inexpensive, easy to find in any supermarket, and can be prepared in many different forms to suit your taste. If your insomnia is caused by a serious medical condition, ginger can be a good supporting part of your evening routine, but it should be combined with your doctor's guidance to address the root cause. Once you understand this, you will see that just a cup of warm ginger tea or a few minutes of soaking your feet with ginger before bed can be enough to send a gentle signal to your body that it is time to rest. After understanding why ginger can act as a natural sleep signal for the body, it is time to choose the method that suits you best. In this video, I will share 3 ways from the simplest to the most powerful, ranked from number 3 to number 1, so you can easily start and gradually increase the effectiveness. Method number 3 will be a gentle warm-up, easy to apply, and suitable for most people. Method number 2 will have a more direct effect on the nervous system and circulation. Method number 1 is the most comprehensive formula, bringing a double benefit for both sleep and overall health. Method 3, combining ginger and rock sugar. This is an extremely simple recipe with inexpensive and easy to find ingredients, yet it brings a clear sense of warmth and relaxation in just a few days. This recipe has existed for a long time in many folk remedies, especially favored by older adults or those doing mental work to reduce stress before sleep. Ginger contains gingerol and shogal, 2 compounds scientifically proven to dilate blood vessels, increase blood flow to the brain, and reduce overactivity of the nervous system. When the nervous system is less tense, the heart rate becomes more stable. The brain can easily switch to rest mode and sleep will come more naturally. Rock sugar not only creates a gentle sweetness, but also has a cooling property that balances the warmth of ginger, preventing the drinker from feeling heat or dryness in the mouth. The light sweetness also gives the taste buds a relaxing effect, like a soft signal to the brain that the body is ready for rest. The preparation is very simple. Take half a fresh ginger root, wash it well, and slice it thinly. Put it in a pot with about half a liter of water and bring it to a boil. Once the water boils, add a small amount of rock sugar, stir well, lower the heat, and simmer for about 5 more minutes. When drinking, it is best to drink while the water is still warm, ideally at noon or in the afternoon. This way, you can maintain the warming effect on the body while also relaxing the mind. But remember, not to drink too close to bedtime to avoid feeling too full. Just a few days of consistency, and you will notice your body feeling lighter, your mind calmer, and at night, sleep will come faster and deeper. If you hear this and feel that this recipe suits you, click like so I know, and I will continue sharing more sleep-improving methods for everyone. After getting familiar with Method 3, a simple drink that warms the body from within, we will now move to a method with a stronger effect that does not require drinking a single drop. This is a method many older adults use every night because it is pleasant, helps deeply relax right before sleep, and especially takes advantage of the skin's ability to absorb ginger's active compounds directly into the peripheral circulation. Method 2. Soaking the feet with ginger and salt. Drinking is not the only way to benefit from ginger. It can also support sleep through direct action on the feet, where dozens of acupressure points are connected to the heart, brain, and nervous system. When you soak your feet in warm ginger water mixed with salt, the blood vessels in the feet expand, improving circulation. This circulation reduces the workload on the heart, helps the brain receive enough oxygen and nutrients, and activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the state in which the body is most ready to fall asleep. In addition, the salt in this formula helps increase the warming effect, while also providing mild antibacterial and anti-inflammatory support for the feet. For those who often have cold feet numbness or difficulty sleeping due to poor circulation, this method is truly a home relaxation therapy. The preparation is very simple. Take half a fresh ginger root, wash it thoroughly, and crush it so the active compounds can dissolve easily. Prepare a basin of warm water at about 104 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the ginger, 1 tablespoon of salt, and stir well. The water should be warm enough to create a deep heating sensation, but not hot enough to burn. When using it is straightforward. Soak your feet for about 20 minutes before going to bed. While soaking, gently massage the soles and toes to improve blood circulation. After soaking, dry your feet and put on a pair of thin socks to keep them warm throughout the night. Wearing socks not only helps retain heat longer, but also maintains blood vessel dilation after soaking, so blood continues to flow smoothly and the body does not cool down suddenly. Warm feet help the nerves relax more and sleep will come faster. Just a few consecutive nights of doing this, and you will feel more relaxed, sleep more deeply, and wake up with a clear head and warm hands and feet. There are a few important notes to remember when soaking your feet. If your feet have open wounds, ulcers, or infections, you should not soak them. People with diabetes who have severe vascular obstruction or venous insufficiency, those who have just undergone surgery, or those with serious heart disease should consult a doctor before doing this. Also, when you have a high fever, have just consumed alcohol, or are extremely fatigued, you should avoid soaking. Keep the water temperature only between 104 and 113 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent burns, and do not soak for more than 30 minutes, as prolonged soaking can cause the body to lose heat instead. If you think this method is worth trying tonight, leave a comment saying, "I will try," so I know you are practicing along with me. After warming the body from the outside with method 2, soaking the feet in ginger and salt, we will now move on to the strongest formula, which works directly from within. This is a method many people treat as an evening ritual because it not only helps improve sleep, but also boosts immunity and brings a calmer mind. Method 1. Ginger honey lemon tea. The special thing about this formula is that it combines 3 ingredients at once, each with its own task. Ginger warms the body, dilates blood vessels, and eases tension in the nervous system. Honey, with its natural sugars, helps stabilize blood sugar through the night and stimulates the body to produce serotonin, which is converted into melatonin so you can fall asleep more easily. Lemon, in a moderate amount, adds a gentle aroma, and light tang soothes the throat and provides vitamin C to keep the body healthier. When these 3 ingredients combine, you get a cup of tea that is warm, fragrant, and pleasant to drink. The spicy warmth of ginger blends with the light sweetness of honey and the refreshing tang of lemon to create relaxation from the very first sip. For many people, simply sitting and sipping this tea while listening to soft music or reading a few pages of a book slows the body down, eases the mind, and allows sleep to come naturally. The preparation is very simple. Boil about half a liter of water, then add 4 to 6 slices of fresh washed ginger. Lower the heat and simmer for about 5 more minutes so the ginger essence is fully released. Turn off the heat. Let the water cool slightly. Then add 1 tablespoon of honey and the juice from 1/4 to at most half a lemon, depending on taste. Stir well and drink while warm for the best flavor. It is best to drink this about 1 hour before bedtime. This gives the body time to absorb the nutrients warm from within and send the signal to the brain that it is time to relax. If you have a sensitive stomach, use only a small amount of lemon juice to avoid discomfort. If this recipe already sounds appealing, save it and try it tonight. Then share your experience so others can benefit too. Before finishing, I want to remind you of a few important points to use ginger safely and effectively. First, when preparing, do not peel the ginger. The skin contains many beneficial nutrients. Just wash it clean. Second, never use ginger that is bruised or damaged, as it can produce toxins harmful to the liver and over time increase the risk of liver cancer. Ginger is warming, so do not overuse it. In particular, do not drink very concentrated ginger water continuously for many months, as it can put pressure on the liver and stomach. There are also certain cases where ginger should not be used to treat insomnia, including when you have a high fever, or heat stroke, liver lung, or stomach disease, severe diabetes, high blood pressure, or skin boils or infections. Finally, to improve sleep, do not rely on ginger alone. You should combine it with a healthy diet proper, rest, a relaxed mind, and avoiding stimulants such as coffee, alcohol, and cigarettes in the evening. By remembering these points and using ginger correctly, it can be a safe ally to help you sleep more deeply without worrying about side effects. Good sleep is not a matter of luck. It is the result of the right signals you send to your body each night. And ginger, a small yet powerful ingredient, can be one of the most natural, safe, and easy tools for those over 60. Today, I have shared with you 3 ways to use ginger, drinking it gently with rock sugar, relaxing with a foot soak, and enjoying a warm cup of ginger honey lemon tea. Each method has its own benefits, fitting different habits and health conditions. You do not need to do all 3 at once. Just choose one method you find easiest to apply. Try it tonight and notice how your body feels the next morning. If you find yourself sleeping more deeply and feeling more at ease, leave a comment to share your experience with everyone. If you know someone who is looking for a way to sleep better but has not heard about ginger, send them this video. Sometimes just one small tip can help them improve their sleep. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you will not miss other natural, simple, yet long-lasting solutions for health and sleep after 60.